Hey, it's the cheapskate. I've decided I'm going to try to set up some RGB lights, which doesn't really go along with my profile. I'm kind of cheap for these things because they're rather expensive, but I'm also getting older now, and I think the way that I'm planning on setting them up will be a lot easier on me to put up my lights come time each year. Takes a lot of time to put up all the single strands of LED lights that I'm using now. They're really pretty, but I think I can probably get a good effect with the RGBs as well. And I'm wanting to get them set up to where they're on like rods or something that I can just take out, have them numbered, and just hang them up section by section, plug each one into the next one, and I'll be ready to go. So the first section here that I've put together is for putting together an E682 from Sand Devices, and that's SANDEVICES.com. When you get it, the way I went, because I'm cheap, was to buy the unassembled and put it together myself. So that's what this first section entails, and then I'll go into Vixen after that, and then after that I'll go into how I'm putting them together and hanging them on the house. So this is going to be a drawn out process, but I'll get the videos up just as soon as I get them made. So let's get started with putting one of these E682s together. By doing it myself, I was able to save $70 on each controller, and it's probably going to take several controllers. So once again, I'm cheap. So let's get started.